First, remove apps that you haven't used in a long time. Simply tap and hold the app icon, select Remove App, and then tap Delete App. It's quick and instantly frees up space on your device. If you think you might need an app later, there's a smarter option. Go to Settings, then General, open iPhone Storage, select the app, and tap Offload App. This removes the app itself, but keeps all your data safe so you can reinstall it anytime without losing anything. Now let's delete unwanted photos and videos that usually take up the most storage. Open the Photos app, select the photos and videos you no longer need, and delete them. After that, go to Collections, open Recently Deleted, and delete them again. This step is important, otherwise, the storage space won't be cleared properly. If deleting photos feels difficult, you can upload them to iCloud or Google Photos first and then remove them from your phone. That's it. Your iPhone should now have more free storage. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy iPhone tutorials.